Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a photo design like this. At the end of this video you will be able to create this photo design yourself. First of all, you need to open one picture. Now select rectangular marquee tool. Select this one and select the areas where you want to be blur or you want some effect here. Press Ctrl C from the keyboard or come to edit, copy, edit, paste. Now select filter, distort, lens correction. Now do your mouse like this and select OK. Now this is the effect. You can also change the effect from here, change it from normal to dissolve and the rest. Change this to see the different effects. You can change the effects with your arrow key. Select styles and select any style from here.